Green Sea Turtles by Olivia Renee Richards. Illustrations by Randi and Gabe Synan. The large green sea turtle makes her way back to the beach where she was born to lay her eggs. The female sea turtle is about 25 years old, weighs almost 500 pounds, and is nearly 4 feet long. The sea turtle has been swimming for hundreds of miles. She struggles to drag her heavy body to the upper part of the beach. Her flippers are designed to help her swim quickly in the water, but they are barely strong enough to pull all of her weight to the nesting site. She digs with her front flippers to make a pit in the sand. She lays nearly 100 small, white, leathery eggs in the nest. Carefully, she covers the eggs with sand and smooths out the pit to cover up her nest. This protects her eggs from predators. Her responsibilities as a mother are now over, and she returns to the sea. As she pulls herself back to the ocean, she leaves a large trail in the sand, which could lead poachers right to her nest. The eggs have been in the sand for almost 2 months, and the sea turtles are ready to hatch. The baby sea turtle uses a temporary egg tooth to chip away at its shell. Once the turtles are free from their shells, they begin to work together to dig to the surface of the sand. The tiny sea turtles dig for days to escape their nest. If they near the surface of the sand and it is warm, then they know it is day, so they wait until the sand cools to continue digging. This keeps them safe from the heat of the sun and hides them from hungry birds. The journey to the sea is a long and dangerous trip for a tiny little sea turtle. The light of the moon, shining on the surface of the water, attracts the green sea turtles to the ocean. If the sea turtles spot any other bright lights, they can get confused and go off course, causing them to never reach the water. Not all of the little sea turtles will reach the ocean because of hungry crabs, birds, and other predators that will capture them for food. The sea turtles that make it to the ocean will have to swim for 2.5 days to reach safe waters. The surface of the water is the safest place for baby sea turtles. Their yellow-white underbellies blend in with the light shining on the surface of the water. This makes them nearly invisible to predators below while they are swimming or sleeping on the top of the ocean. However, some will be eaten by sharks and other fish along the way. Very few sea turtles survive through this adventure and actually make it to adulthood. Due to the size and speed of the adult sea turtle in the water, their only known predators are sharks and humans. As a result of human carelessness, sea turtles often get tangled up in fishing nets and lines. Sea turtles can sometimes mistake trash, such as plastic bags, for food. Eating plastics can cause digestion problems and even death in sea turtles. Humans have been known to hunt sea turtles for their shells, skin, meat, eggs, and fat. The green sea turtle gets its name from the color of the fat in their body. It is green in color because of the sea turtle's diet, which consists of seaweed, marine grass, and algae. Sea turtles are cold-blooded reptiles that are generally found in shallow waters and coral reefs. They can also be found at rocky shorelines where a lot of marine grass and algae grow. The shallow water helps to keep their body temperature warm. Sea turtles will sometimes make their way to the beach shore to lie in the warm sun for hours at a time. Green sea turtles may appear to be crying, but in fact, they are releasing excess salt through large tears. The tears come from salt glands that are located behind each eye. Unlike most sea creatures, green sea turtles have to breathe air in order to survive. When they are awake, they will swim to the surface every few minutes to get a breath of air, and while resting, they can stay under the water for more than 2 hours without taking a single breath. Green sea turtles are often seen surrounded by many fish. The fish are cleaning patches of algae off of the sea turtle's shell, helping to keep it clean. The journey of a green sea turtle is certainly challenging, and as a result, the green sea turtles are now considered to be an endangered species. However, the few that do survive can live to be nearly 100 years old. Hopefully, with everyone's help, we can restore the green sea turtle population so that they can continue to live long, healthy lives and be around for generations to come.